Okay, we have 13 participants already, so let's wait for 1 more minute. Is it 13 or 14th test? We have 17 participants. 7:32. Why this Mohan Sai will always open multiple windows? We have a participant without any vowel in the name. I don't know how to read that. Maybe it's a sound, not name. Zzz. Crazy. 18 members. I guess it should be good to go, because we started. I have given link 2 minutes early today. 19. Twenty participants. Okay, I shall start now. First question. On your mobile screens, you have 30 seconds to answer every question. When a body is moving with a uniform velocity, what happens? You have 4 options to choose the right one. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time is up. 15 members answered out of 22 participants that we have now, and the leaderboard score says Varshit on the top, followed by Lakshmi Harshni, Jahnavi Chaudhary. 4 members did this right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 2 on your mobile screens now. The mass in motion will have last 10 seconds. Time is up. Let's check the scores if there is any change. We have Varshit, Jahnavi Chaudhary, Moktika, Bashita, Anusha, Naveen. 11 members answered this right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 3. The minimum distance between the real image and the real object of a concave mirror is last 10 seconds. Time is up. 17 members answered out of 22 participants, and the scores, if we check, we have Varshit followed by Moktika, Anusha, Manaswita, Lakshmi, Harshni, Josna. 6 members answered this right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 4 on your screens now. The near point of a hypermetrophic person is 0.5 meters, or what do you call that value? What kind of lens is suitable to correct his vision defect? That is why I choose not to read these physical and chemistry and also mathematical questions. It's 5 seconds more. Time is up. And here we see 15 members answered out of 22 participants. And we have Joshna on the top, followed by Varshit, Moktika, Anusha. One person only answered this right. Moving on to the next question, question number 5 on your screens now. So I'm not going to read the questions. You please go ahead and answer the right one. Ten seconds more. Time is up. 18 members answered out of 23 participants. Let's check on the scores. We have Joshna, Varshit, Manaswita, Moktika, Anusha, Lakshmi, Harshni. 4 members answered this right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 6 on your screens now. The materials required to find the refractive index of a given prism is. But there is no any prism given here. Time is up. 18 members answered. We have Joshna, Moktika, Manaswita, Varshit, Harshini and Jahanavi Chaudhary. 8 members answered this right. Moving on to question number 7 on your screens now. A person saw his face inside a mirror. He observed his image is smaller in size. What kind of mirror it is? Seconds more. 5 seconds more. Time is up. 16 members answered out of 24 participants. We have Moktika on the top, followed by Manaswita, Joshna, Harshni, Varshit. 9 members did this right. Moving on to the next question, question number 8. The current carrying wire is kept in a uniform magnetic field. It deflects. This principle is used in. Okay. 10 seconds more. Time is up. 20 members answered out of 24 participants. And the leaderboard scores. We have Moktika followed by Lakshmi, Harshni, Manaswita, Joshna, Varshit, Naveen. 7 members answered this question right. Moving on to the next question, question number 9. Of a mirror. 5 seconds. Time is up. Let's check the leaderboard scores. We have 4th Varshit and 6th Ramcharan pulled up. Rest of the places were same. 7 members answered this right. Moving on to question number 10 on your screens now. A lens bounded by two spherical surfaces curved inverse is called. Ten seconds more. Time is up. Let's check on the scores. Okay, Jahnavi Chaudhary pulled up to 6th position, and only 3 members answered it right. Moving on to the next question, question number 11 on your screens now. It's a lengthy question, read it quickly, but 3 already answered to my surprise. Time is up. 18 members made it. Let's check the scores. We have Mauktika, Harshini, Manaswita, Varshit, Naveen. 3 members did this right. Moving on to the next question, question number 12 on your screens now. Which of the following is a reduction reaction? And 2 members, 3 members, 4 members already answered. Time is up. 20 members answered out of 27. And let's check on the scores if there is any change. Joshna pulled up to 4th position. Okay. 5 members answered this right. Moving on to the next question, question number 13 on your screens now. You need to find the value of the x. 5 members already answered. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time is up. 21 members answered out of 27 participants, and the scores, if there is any change, let me check. We have one person, the name mentioned as LOL, LOL, I don't know. Laughing out loud. Okay, one person answered this right. And the 14th question here on the screens now. In which of the following electrovalent compound, both, what are those? Cation and anion, represent the same inert gas configuration? Literally, I don't even remember if I have ever studied these things in my 10th class. 5 seconds more. Time is up. 19 members answered out of 27 participants. Okay, we have Varshit pulled up to 4th position, Naveen pulled up to 6th position. I guess these are the 2 people who answered it right. Moving on to the next question, question number 15 on your screens. I guess you people could become scientists after reading all these. Which of the following acid molecule differ from other molecules regarding their total number of valence electrons? Time is up. 18 members only answered out of 27 participants, and I'm skipping these leaderboard scores to maintain some curiosity, and 9 members answered this right. Moving on to the next question. 16th question. Periodicity in the properties of elements in the modern periodic table is due to what? 20 seconds more. Periodicity. 10 seconds more. Time is up. 18 members answered out of 28 participants. I'm not going to read the leaderboard scores to maintain this curiosity, and we will see. 6 members answered this right. Moving on to the next question. But still, you can check these leaderboard scores after every question on this YouTube link. Someone answered real quick. Who was that? Fifteen seconds more. Time is up. 18 members again answered out of 28 participants. I don't know what happened to the others, why they are not answering. Maybe they logged in and left. Anyways, 5 members answered this question right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 18 on your mobile screens now. Fifteen seconds more. 10 members answered already. Last 5 seconds. There ends the time. 19 members answered out of 28 participants. Still a lot of people are not answering. So let's check here. We have 7 members answered this question right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 19 on your screens now. Which of the following is not an allotrope of carbon? Members answered out of 28 as of now. 5 more seconds. Time is up. Okay, we shall see how many members answered this right. 6 members answered it right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 20 on your screens now. So you need to find the outermost shell electronic configuration of the given equation. Fourteen members answered and 10 seconds more. Time is up. 19 members answered out of 28 participants, and 3 members did this right. Moving on to question number 21. To find out the pulse rate, and they have given the heartbeat. 5 seconds more. I'm curious to know this answer. So 18 members answered again out of 29 participants. I should check the answer. What is it? It will be same, exactly 72. Okay, 9 members did this right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 22. 22nd question on your screens now. Which of the following alkaloid used as insecticide? Okay, there ends the time. 19 members answered out of 29 participants, and we shall check 13 members did this right. Moving on to the next question, question number 23rd on your screens now. First kidney transplantation at the Christian Medical College, Vellore, Tamil Nadu. So who was that surgeon in Washington, USA? 5 seconds more. Time is up. Okay, 17 members only answered. Another 2 also did not answer. I don't know why. And 6 members did this right. Moving on to question number 24th. Which of the following hormone has a direct impact on urination? Time is up. So now 19 members answered out of 29 participants. Okay, and it shows 8 members did this right. Moving on to next question, question number 25. The exchange of gases in mammals takes place in 5 seconds more. There ends the time. We have got 18 answers here. I mean 18 members answered, and 5 members did it right. Moving on to question number 26. There ends the time. It's 17 members answered now out of 29 participants. 9 members answered this right. Moving on to the next question, question number 27 on your screens now. You need to find the right Dutch physician who constructed the dialysis machine in the year 1947. 3, 2, 1, 0. Time is up. 17 members again answered out of 29 participants. 8 members answered this right. Moving on to the next question, question number 28 on your screen now. Which system is important in guiding the function of epiglottis and passage of food and air? Time is up. 16 members answered out of 29 participants. 7 members answered it right. Moving on to question number 29. The metabolic waster of hemoglobin of dead RBCs are 10 seconds more. Time is up. 16 members answered out of 29 participants. And 12 members answered it right. Now, the last question of the day on your screens now. Which of the following animal is the worst smelling animal in the animal kingdom? Time is up. 16 members answered out of 29 participants, and now 12 members answered this right. Okay, let's check the final scores. Okay, we have Jahnavi Chaudhary on the third position, Moktika on the second position, and Lakshmi Harsni on first position. Congratulations, and I appreciate time and effort of each and every person who have participated. If you would like to have individual scores, you can ask me. I shall provide. And this Mohan Sai, Advaita, I think, Naveen Reddy, and some sound is B. Ganesh, Harshavardhan, Dikshita, Advaita again. These members did not answer. I don't know why.